I'm going to do a couple of examples of using the TI-84 calculator to calculate the slope, which is in section 4.4 of our homework. So I'm going to take this first group. They say write the slope as a rational number. I'm going to say take example 4 here. And on the calculator, remember the slope is the difference in y values divided by the difference in x values. So on the calculator for that number 4, I'm going to clear all that junk out. So for number 4, the y values are 3, and I'm going to subtract 3 minus a negative 5 on the numerator. So on the calculator, I'm going to start by putting a parentheses, and it's 3. Now you have to be a little bit careful here because there's this negative sign is for subtraction, and this negative sign here down there is for a negative number. So when I do 3 minus a negative 5, what I want to do is 3, and then here's the subtraction, and then here's the negative number, negative 5. So notice I'm subtracting a negative number, close off the parentheses for the numerator, and in the denominator, I'm dividing by parentheses. The x values are 5 and minus 1. So in the denominator, I'm going 5 subtract a negative 1. And this is going to give me a decimal. And then it says it wants this as a rational number. So I can change it to a rational number by going math. And the first thing here is changing it to a fraction. So if I hit enter, this will take this 1.333333 and turn it into a fraction. If I hit enter again, so 4/3 is the answer as a rational number. Now in the second group of questions, they don't ask for the slope as a rational number. They say round to 2 decimal places. So let me take as an example, how about number 16 here? Remember, we're doing the difference in y values divided by the difference in x values. So in number 16, what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the round. How many decimal places did they say they wanted? Let me check again. 2 places. Okay, so I'm going to round this to 2 places. So I'm going to start with math, num, round, and now I can enter in the calculation for number 16. The difference in y's is 4 minus 9. All the numbers here are positives. So the numerator, parentheses for the numerator, 4 minus 9, close the parentheses. The denominator for this in number 16 is 5 subtract 2.1 is the difference in x value, excuse me, it's 5.5 minus 2.1, 5.5 minus 2.1, close the parentheses for the denominator. I want this rounded to 2 places, comma, 2. And when I hit the magic enter, it gives negative 1.47 as the answer to 2 decimal places.